Hey there, future engineers and bridge building enthusiasts. Welcome to the NIRMAN Paper Bridge Competition, brought to you by CESS. Get ready for an exciting two-day event where you'll put your skills to the test. It all starts tomorrow. This competition is all about building the strongest bridge imaginable. But here's the catch, you can only use paper and adhesive. Think you can handle the pressure? We're looking for ingenuity, creativity, and a whole lot of teamwork. So gather your friends, brainstorm some brilliant ideas, and get ready to build. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Let's get this bridge building party started. Stay tuned for more information. All right, bridge builders, are you ready to dive into the details? This is not just any ordinary task. It's a test of your creativity, precision, and engineering skills. Let's talk about the challenge ahead. It's going to push your limits and make you think outside the box. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to construct a bridge entirely out of paper and a special adhesive. This isn't just about building, it's about innovation and problem solving. But hold on, this isn't your average paper bridge. It's a challenge that will test your understanding of structural integrity and design. We've got some rules and regulations to make things interesting. These guidelines will ensure that everyone is on a level playing field. First off, forget about simple beam bridges. They won't cut it here. We're talking trusses and arches, people. These designs will give your bridge the strength it needs. Your bridge must be precisely 40 centimeters long, give or take a centimeter. Precision is crucial in this challenge. The span between the supports should measure 30 centimeters, again with a tolerance of 1 centimeter. This will test your ability to work within strict parameters. And don't forget the width, it's got to be between 7 and 8 centimeters. Precision is key. Every millimeter counts. Each part of your bridge can't be thicker than 2.5 centimeters in diameter. This will challenge your material management skills. Plus, the whole thing can't weigh more than 1.7 kilograms. This is where your design efficiency comes into play. That's less than a pineapple. Can you believe it? Think light, think strong, think paper. Your creativity and engineering prowess will be the key to success. Good luck, bridge builders. Now I know what you're thinking, Bill, this sounds like a tough one. And you're right, it is. But that's where teamwork comes in. You can form teams of up to 4 brilliant minds to tackle this challenge. Remember, 2 heads are better than 1, and 4 heads, that's a recipe for bridge building brilliance. Collaboration is key here, folks. Bounce ideas off each other, share the workload, and support one another through the ups and downs of bridge construction. Teamwork isn't just about sharing the work, it's about combining your unique strengths and perspectives. One of you might be a master of measurement, while another could be a paper folding prodigy. Together you'll create something truly amazing, so choose your teammates wisely, communicate openly, and most importantly, have fun working together. After all, a team that builds together succeeds together. Section 4, Building the Bridge of Tomorrow. All right, bridge building enthusiasts, let's talk design. Whether you're a student, an engineer, or just a curious mind, the principles of bridge design are fascinating and crucial. As we mentioned earlier, we're focusing on truss and arch bridges for this competition. These 2 types of bridges have stood the test of time and are perfect for our paper bridge challenge. Why, you ask? Because these designs are incredibly strong and efficient, even when constructed from simple materials like paper. The simplicity of paper allows us to see the fundamental principles at work. A truss bridge gets its strength from a network of triangles. These triangles are the key to its durability and stability. These triangles distribute weight evenly, making the bridge surprisingly sturdy. Each triangle works together to share the load, ensuring the bridge can support more weight than you might expect. Think of it like a bunch of strong friends, linking arms to support each other. The collective strength of the group is much greater than the sum of its parts. An arch bridge, on the other hand, transfers the weight onto its supports, which are called abutments. These abutments are crucial for maintaining the bridge's integrity. The arch shape allows it to handle heavy loads, just like the arches you see in ancient Roman structures. The Romans were masters of engineering, and their designs are still used today. For your bridge, you can choose either a truss or an arch design. Each has its own advantages and challenges, so consider what will work best for your specific needs. Research different types of trusses, such as the Warren truss or the Pratt truss. Each type has unique characteristics that can affect the strength and efficiency of your bridge. Explore the elegance of arch bridges, from the classic Roman arch, which has been admired for centuries for its beauty and functionality, to the modern tide arch bridge, which combines traditional design with contemporary engineering techniques. The possibilities are endless when it comes to bridge design. Section 5, Materials Matter. Now let's talk supplies. We'll provide each team with 2 kilograms of paper. That's a lot of paper, but use it wisely. You'll also receive a generous supply of Fevicol adhesive to hold your bridge together. Remember, Fevicol is your trusty sidekick in this competition. No other adhesives are allowed, so put those glue sticks and sticky tapes away. We want to see how much you can achieve with the provided materials. Using your resources efficiently is part of the challenge. Plan your design carefully, make precise cuts, and minimize waste. Every scrap of paper and every drop of adhesive counts. Remember, resourcefulness is a valuable skill for any engineer, so channel your inner MacGyver and get creative with those paper and adhesive supplies. Section 6. Judging the masterpieces. After all your hard work designing, cutting and gluing, it's time for the moment of truth, the judging. This is the moment where all your dedication and creativity will be put to the ultimate test. Our panel of expert judges will evaluate your bridges based on 2 main criteria: strength and style. These judges are seasoned professionals with years of experience in engineering and design. First and foremost, we're looking for strength. This is the backbone of any good bridge. How much weight can your bridge withstand before collapsing? This is a critical aspect that will determine the durability and reliability of your design. This part is worth a whopping 90 points, so make sure your bridge can handle the pressure. Every gram of weight it holds adds to your score. But it's not all about brawn. Brains matter too. The ingenuity behind your design is just as important. We'll also be awarding 10 points for design and aesthetics. This is where your artistic skills come into play. Did you create a visually appealing bridge? One that stands out in a crowd? Is your design innovative and unique? Let your creativity shine. Think outside the box and bring something new to the table. In the event of a tie, the bridge that holds the most weight will be declared the winner. This ensures that the strongest design gets the recognition it deserves. And if there's still a tie, the tension rises as we look for a clear winner. Well, that's where our wise paper bridge coordinators come in. They have the final say in these nail-biting moments. They'll make the final call, ensuring fairness and accuracy in the competition. So aim high, build strong, and don't forget to add your own personal flair. This is your chance to shine and show what you're capable of. Section 7, Safety and Support. Before we wrap things up, let's talk about safety. We want everyone to have a fun and safe experience at the NIRMAN Paper Bridge Competition. So, please be mindful of the following guidelines. First, handle those scissors with care. Those blades are sharp, so use them responsibly and always cut away from yourself and others. Second, keep your workspace clean and organized. A tidy workspace is a safe workspace. Teamwork is essential for safety too. Keep an eye out for each other, offer help when needed, and communicate clearly to avoid accidents. Remember, we're all in this together. And finally, don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. Our team of volunteers and organizers will be there to assist you throughout the competition. We'll provide guidance, answer your questions, and cheer you on every step of the way.